Hello, everyone. Welcome to Hey Bartender. Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender, production behind the camera, and the twins upstairs doing God knows what. We'd like to welcome you one more time to the channel. And yes, we're back by an unanimous petition. We're back. So what a way to go back into my favorite season, well, my favorite day of the season, which is Halloween, and Dia de Muertos, which is like one of the extraordinary events that happen in Mexico. And obviously today we're going to be making a really cool cocktail that you can create at home for that special reunion for all your friends using one of the best tequilas that are actually there on the market, which, by the way, I have to say congratulations to Volcán de mi Tierra, the family Gallardo, the Moet Chandon Hennessy Group, and now proud sponsor of the Formula Uno. So keep an eye on these guys. You're going to love it. Today, we're going to be making La Sangre de Margarita, or Margarita's blood. Stay with me, please, here in Hey Bartender. La Sangre de Margarita, or Margarita's blood. This is a really interesting, cool concept because you have to put your hands into, hold on, particularly this one, which is the perfect puree blood orange. And I guarantee you the flavor and the color, mainly, it is absolutely outstanding. So please follow me and stay with me on this one. We're gonna grab our shaker. Production behind the cameras, she loves XA, so I told her that this one is gonna be for her. She's happy and excited. Let's put 2 lovely and healthy ounces of Volcán de mi Tierra XA. We're gonna have half of an ounce of agave syrup, 1 full ounce of fresh lime juice, and the main ingredient, blood. So that's gonna be the blood orange puree, and you can go up to 3/4 of an ounce if you wanted to make it like a really dark red color into it. And if you want to go a little bit beyond, throw half an ounce of a Grand Marnier and make it a Cadillac. Now, let's just go for a really nice fancy shake. To make it a little bit more nice and pop on the actual design of your cocktail, really nice thick black salt, and in order to get like a really nicely and saturated around the rim. And let's pour a cocktail. Let's finalize the garnish with a rose petal. And using black sugar, just do a lime brulee and put it right next to it. And for those celebrations and having some fun, Margarita's blood with Volcán de mi Tierra. Thank you for staying, you guys. We'll see you to the next time. Remember, don't drink and drive, and don't forget to like and subscribe.